Greg Sargent here, and today we're going to talk about 5 ways to increase your job average on your water damage claims. 5 focus points. First, health and safety of your clients and employees. Number 2, contents and clients' properties. 3, liability for you and your insurance company. 4, the total claim amount, dollar amount. And 5th, the total time it takes to close this claim. In 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to increase your job average by $500 to $1,000, internet or TPAs. I've analyzed thousands of invoices nationwide. This is so simple, you'll probably say it will never work. But right now, I've got over 170 testimonials and counting. Simple, consistent, profitable line items that you can do on almost every single job. All right, we got our typical 2-story loss, the house that Greg built. Remember, after hours, always free inspections with moisture meters and infrared cameras. That's the first thing we want to do. Then we want to make sure we're taking care of the flooring and the stairs and the property. This all bills more. The appliances, maybe cabinets in the kitchen when you're doing demo. It's professional. Adjusters will love this. Clients will give you better reviews. Next up is water extraction. Don't forget to use your weighted extraction on carpet and pad. Look at the difference in price on just 500 square feet. Again, don't forget the after hours charges on this as well. Now next up, you've got contents coming here. We get manipulation all the time, but don't forget the blocks, $30 to $70 a room. Protect the furniture, protect the appliances, and don't forget those supplies that you're using to box everything up with. It all adds up. All right, containment. This is crucial to keeping that dust and everything in the affected areas for health and safety reasons. Don't forget the plastic, the poles, the zippers. It all adds up. You can make an additional $50 to $500 a job, if not more. It's professional. Adjusters love it. Up next is another health and safety, huge one. Don't forget those air scrubbers on every job, every category. Look, just simply ask this before you start the job. Does anyone have asthma, allergies, sick, or the flu? Or are there small children or elderly persons at this property? We are concerned with your health and safety. Make a note in the estimate for the insurance company of what they have going on in their house as far as health and safety goes. I've personally had 4 of my children go to the ER due to respiratory issues. I have bad asthma and I'm allergic to penicillin, so I'm extremely big on this. Also include the OSHA Silica Law if you'd like. You're going to get paid almost every single time when you document correctly. Up next, let's go and make some money with what you learned in that last ASD course you went to. Heat and wall cavity drying, specialty drying equipment, but not just equipment, revenues. The more you dry when you should and you can, the lower the rebuild cost is and the time. You don't make any money doing demo. We all know that. Heaters are $200 a day. Wall cavity dryers are $140 a day for what they're saving in time and the rebuild. Look, the ASD course is teaching this. What are you waiting for? Absolutely. I'll even show you how to motivate your techs to make sure the equipment gets in the truck and you place more specialty drying equipment moving forward. All right, I told you I was going to show you how to increase your profits by $500 to $1,000 per job in less than 5 minutes. So I'm almost there. I'm running out of time. Let's sum this up all together really quick so you guys can see. Let's take a typical loss, upper, lower levels. Toilet is the source. It goes into the bedroom. It goes downstairs. We're going to plastic off the stairs, the hallways. We're going to put up our containments on both levels. We're going to put our air scrubbers in both containments. We're going to plastic all the furniture, protect the furniture. We're going to furniture block. We're going to put an E-test in the basement to dry that subfloor. I'm going to teach you how to document and moisture map that with the correct photos. Look, air scrubbers, 2 of these is $500 for this job. Power boxes for the downstairs is $105. Now remember, in this example today, I have not talked anything about dehumidifiers and air movers. You guys should already know how to do all of that, okay? Heaters, $600 for 3 days. Absolutely worth it. Very low labor. Wall cavity dryer in the bathroom and the bedroom walls, $420 for 3 days. Think of all the rebuild you're saving these guys on the reconstruction. Blocking 2 rooms, you're going to be about $100. It just keeps going on here. Your containments and the poles and the zippers, you're going to be around $250 on a job like this, roughly. And don't forget the floor protection. That's another $50 to $100, maybe $200, depending on the layout of this house. All right, I'm at my 5 minutes. Let's sum this all up. 7 line items, $2,075. How many labor hours did that take? Adjusters will love you. Clients will love you. You get more referrals. You'll make more money. If you're an owner in the restoration world, visit my website at sergeantstrategicconsulting.com. You're going to learn how to increase profits and decrease your headaches. If you need help with recruiting or if you want online training for your staff, please visit my website, and I'd love to help you. Thank you.